Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer Ethereum from Binance to Metamask. What you need to do, first just go to your Binance account and log in, and then just go to Metamask wallet. Just click here. And then just click, no, before that just be sure that here is that you select Ethereum minute, and then just click buy. After that select view account, and then just copy this address. Copy, and now just go to Binance and select wallet, and then fiat and spot. Now just select here Ethereum and click withdraw. Now the address, just paste the link that we copy from Metamask, and network, just click here and here Ethereum ERC20, and now just enter the amount. For example, if I select 0.153. After that just click withdraw. This is what you need to do if you want to transfer Ethereum from Binance to Metamask. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.